So class, open your books at page 32, please. Let's do the reading. Have a look at this exercise number 1. You are going to look at the photos and think about these questions, and then you are going to read "The Stars Are Out Tonight," and then you're going to do exercise 2. By reading quickly the article, you are going to know the names of celebrities or bands and what are they famous for and what do you know about them. Okay, that's all you have to do at page 32. Now let's go to page 33. Have a look at this page. Page 33, look at exercise 3. Here you are going to read the article again and decide if the sentences are true or false, but in this exercise you will have to correct the wrong information, okay? Then you go to exercise 4, where you have to read the article again and answer these questions. So, according to the writer, why are celebrities involved with charities criticized, for example? So all the questions start with according to the writer, okay? So think from the point of view of the writer. In exercise 5, you are going to read again the article and find words that mean, for example, money that an organization needs or has, which is in the introduction part. So you are going to try to find words that mean this, okay? Exercise 6, we are going to do it in class in our next video conference, in groups. We are going to talk about international charities that you can name and what they do. And if you have ever given money to charities, which ones, we're going to talk about that in our next video conference. Then let's have a look at the exercises about vocabulary. We have prepositional phrases. Remember that verbs, sorry. Remember that these verbs are followed by a preposition. So here you have the list of prepositions and you're going to complete the sentences with the correct preposition. And you have to choose from these words to complete. So for example, suffer, about, for, from, in, of, to, which is the correct one, okay? Then you're going to read the study skill that you have in exercise 8, and you are going to make a note of the new verb and preposition combinations that you found in this exercise, in exercise 7, okay? So you're going to record collocations, okay? That is collocation, that is called collocations, when you have a verb and a preposition, and those words are often used with certain prepositions. They are called collocations, okay? And you have to learn them by heart. So it is a good start to start with these words and verbs and prepositions, which are the correct collocations. Remember that, for example, in exercise 1, you have suffer, and you always say that you suffer from curable diseases, not suffer about, not suffer for, not suffer in, or of, or to. And you will generally confuse with Spanish, because in Spanish we say sufrir de, and sometimes you think that it is suffer of. No, the correct one is suffer from, but you have to learn them. By using them, you will learn them. Which verbs go with which preposition. You have to study that and learn by heart those verbs with those certain prepositions. Then in exercise 9, you're going to write your own answers to the following questions. When you have the answers, we will work in class. We're going to compare your ideas. Then in exercise 11, you have to match these verbs that you have here, these phrasal verbs, for example, be taken in. What does it mean? You have to match it with the correct definition. Then in exercise 12, you're going to complete, after you have the meaning of those phrasal verbs, you're going to complete the sentences with the verbs in the correct form. Remember, if you need present simple, past simple, be careful with that, please. And exercise 13, we're going to work in class at page 150. We're going to discuss those questions, okay? So that's all you have to do today's class. So hope to see you in our next video conference. Bye-bye.